What's up, Cars and fam? I messed up on this video. There's no sound, but driving by, I was like, what is that? What is that? So, as a car guy, you got to investigate. So, we had to catch up. So, we going to catch up.
Viewer
We going to
discretion
see
is
what
advised.
is that that's moving like that. I'm curious. So it's a TLX. So, had no clue what the TLX had horsepower-wise. I wouldn't even know if he was going to run it, but I was like, let's pull up. Let's see what happened. So, we checking out each other's car. It's just a natural thing to do. And we kind of knew what was coming next. So we met up down the road. He was obviously gone. His passenger, told him to slow down a little bit. So, it was fun though. Shout out to the boy. I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe, share, and let's talk about the tinted side marker lights real quick. And that's the tint by Lamin-X. Only thing I ain't like, I wish you would have gone a little bit farther out so you can cover like all the yellow. And you can see it's not the way I did it. But good material, no bubbles, both sides. I'll show y'all what it look like with the light on. So you can sort of kind of see it. It actually look real good at night. It look like it's just one little light sticking out and that's it. But I like it. It look good. From a distance, it matches perfect.